In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Wix email with Gmail, allowing you to conveniently manage all your emails in one place. This setup can be a game changer for your productivity, especially if you're juggling multiple accounts for personal and professional needs. So let's dive right into the process, which is simple and straightforward. First, you'll want to access your Gmail account using the Chrome browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Gmail dashboard. Here, you'll see a gear-shaped icon which represents your settings. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select See All Settings. You'll be presented with a series of tabs across the top. Today, our focus will be on the Accounts and Import tab, so go ahead and click on that. Now within Accounts and Import, you'll find various options to configure and customize your account management settings. Look for the option that says Add a Mail Account. Go ahead and click on that, which will prompt a new window to appear. This is where you'll begin integrating your Wix email. Enter your Wix email addresses in the space provided. This step is crucial as it tells Gmail exactly which email account you're planning to integrate. Once you've entered your email, click Next. Now you have the option to choose how you want to configure your Wix email, either through POPI3 or IMAP settings. Generally, IMAP is the preferred method for most users as it allows you to access your emails across multiple devices more seamlessly. However, if you have a specific reason to use POPI3, such as needing offline access, feel free to choose that option. After selecting your preferred method, you'll need to follow the subsequent prompts to provide the necessary configuration details. These might include your username, password, and the incoming mail server information provided by Wix. Make sure you have these details handy, as they are essential for successful integration. Once you've carefully entered all the required information, click Add Account to proceed. Gmail will now take a moment to verify the details you've entered. If everything checks out correctly, your Wix email integration should be successfully set up. You'll receive a confirmation message letting you know the process was a success. For those who want to take it a step further, Google offers an optional yet highly beneficial feature, sending emails using your Wix email address directly from your Gmail account. If you choose to enable this, follow the prompts to complete the configuration. This ensures that your outgoing emails will appear as if they've been sent from your Wix address, maintaining professionalism and consistency